Hey everyone, I'm Kamran and welcome to the HTML tutorial series. So in this video we are going to talk about different type of elements which we use in HTML pages. So the two major different type of tags or elements which we use in HTML are block and inline type of element. So we will see what are these type of elements and what is the difference between them and in what scenarios we have to use them. So theoretically, if an element resides in row with other elements, it's called inline element. And if they are in the column or one above the other, they are called as block elements. So let's take one example of each type and try to demonstrate what is the exact difference between them. So we have two different elements named as div and span, in which div is a block element and span is an inline element. So we are going to place multiple divs in an HTML page and we will see how that behaves, and then we are going to place multiple spans and we will see how they show up on the browser. To demonstrate that, here I am going to remove this anchor tag and I am going to add simple text. So we will say div 1. So this is our div 1, and again I am going to place another div just besides this, and I am going to name this as a div 2, and same for the div 3. So now we will see how these divs are placed in the browser. So you can see that div 1, div 2 and div 3 are one above another, and if we inspect them, so here in the elements tab you can hover on one of the div and you will see the div tag is spreaded throughout the width, and similar for the div 2 and div 3. So now we are going to add some span element and we will see how that behaves. So below this div we are going to add a span element. So for that we are going to write span 1, and similarly we are going to add 3 spans. Save the file and go to the browser. So here once I refresh this, I can see that the spans are residing besides each other, not on the new line. So hover on one of the span element in the element tab. So you can see the span elements are extended through which its content is. So this is the basic difference between a block element and an inline element. So each element in the HTML is going to be either a block element or an inline element. For example, in the last video we have covered an anchor tag, that is an inline element, and we have this header tags. So header tags are div elements. I hope you understood the difference between a block element and an inline element from this video. Like the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Happy coding everyone. See you in the next video.